Hi guys, you are watching Banktorials and today we will discuss certification process of NISM. As you might be aware that there are different courses on for NISM, but for any kind of certification of these courses, you need to from a process which is called NISM certification process that would be applicable for each and every course. Now, I would like to tell you that which steps you need to go through so that you can have these kind of certifications on various programs. First of all, what you need to do is that you need to know that why NISM certification is necessary or why it is useful. Actually, this is useful because for professionals who are looking a career in financial market, these kind of certifications are valuable. These certification carries a lot of value in your resume, in your CV. And second applicable things on this particular certification is that this also helps in increasing your knowledge domain. Moreover, this also helps you when you start investing in securities market on your own or maybe for your client. These may be basic things which actually make an ISM certification necessary. Now I will take you along the step-by-step guide for the certification process. This is very simple. Three or four steps and you will be able to do it within maximum 5 minutes. First of all, for registration, you need to go for his website, which is called certification.nism.ac.in. You would need to provide your personal details, just like educational qualification, your work experience. And when you would be doing this registration, you would also be required to upload your photograph, scanned copies of PAN card, and address proof. Address proof can be one of either maybe Aadhaar card or maybe passport. And once you enter these details for sign up, then it comes for the second steps, which is called account verification. Now, what happens when you put up all these details? You need to activate your account by clicking activation link, which will be sent your on your registered email address. And this account will be verified by the NISM within 72 hours. What they will verify? They will verify that PAN card is clear, whether these details which you have entered is correct, whether your passport, PAN card, photographs actually matches and your records actually is correct or not. They will verify and then they will actually activate your account. Then it will come for the third process. Once you are able to do step 2, then you will be able to sign up with a user ID and password. And after that, you need to go to step number 3, which is called enrollment for examinations. These examinations can be on different fronts. Then this is a basic process on which you need to go through this for any kind of certification. There are more than 10 certification on NISM. On left hand side, when you see this option which comes is enrollment, and this is the enrollment for examinations. Now you can now select the required examination, preferred city and test center and date of examinations as well. And you can choose your preferred time slot as well. Once you select all these things, then you need to do the online payment. It means this you need to make an advance payment for this particular exam. These payment can be made by either net banking, credit card or debit card. This, once you do it, after successful completion of this payment, your admit card will be visible and will be displayed on the screen itself, and it will carry all the details of yours which you might have entered at the time of certification process. Now this actually admit card is ready so that you can appear, and you need to ensure that when you visit the selected test center along with the admit card, you need to carry one of your identity card. But you also need to read all the detailed instructions which would be on my admit card. Once you appear on the test, your result will automatically come on that spot itself, and you will be knowing whether you have cleared this test or not. This is all. That's all about NISM certification. If you need more detail, you can write on the comment box. You can email me. That's all from my side. Thank you very much. If you need further details or any help regarding course material as well, please let me know. I will definitely will help you. Thank you guys. Have a nice day. Bye bye.